I'm Chris Dorwood on a journey to herever as however recorded.
Today I'm going to be listening to Wild Youth from Generation X's Perfect Hits 1975 to 1981. I am listening on Spotify with my One Audio headphones and a new stash.
I gotta turn this off before Wild Dub starts playing. Ooh, Kiss Me Deadly. Give me some truth. I know all these songs from Green Day. Let me get these freaking headphones off for one freaking minute. So I purposely did that song because I am a Green Day obsessed weirdo, and I'd heard somewhere Billy Joe Armstrong talking about Wild Youth by Generation X. And I had never heard that one. I'd heard Kiss Me Deadly and Give Me Some Truth and some of their other more popular tracks, but I'd never heard Wild, Wild, Wild Youth. And I can hear the reverse influence coming from Green Day to this. This is definitely got a Green Day sound. So Green Day have taken a lot of influence from this band, Generation X. And you can really hear it in this song, Wild Youth. And I would be a liar if I said I didn't want Green Day to make a song that sounded like this. This is very, very much in the style of Green Day. If you like Green Day, you like what they do. Just subscribe to my channel. That's all that matters in this world. Remember, we are wild, wild, wild youth. Wild, wild, wild youth. Pete Townsend hopes he dies before he gets old. We will see how that turns out for Pete Townsend. Wild, wild, wild youth. It's stuck in my head already. I love it. Love it, love it, love it!